Hey everyone, how's it going? Thanks so much for tuning in. For today's video, we're going to be taking an in-depth look into the all-new 2019 Kioti compact tractor. In this review, we'll start it up and we'll show it off, and we're going to take it on a brief drive and show you many of the few features in the interior as well as exterior. So without further ado, let's go and start her up, let it run. Alright, so before I begin this video, I'd like to extend a big thanks and special shout out to Brownlee Equipment in Earlton, Ontario for providing this opportunity today. For more information about their contact info and inventory, please feel free to check out their website provided in the description box below. There she is. Like I said, it's an all-new 2019 Kioti CK2610 HST compact tractor. This one's got the Kioti KL4030 loader with the bucket, and it's also got the Kioti KB2475L Backhoe attachment with the bucket as well, stabilizers, the controls for your backhoe, and also your diesel fuel can go right in here. And it's also got the cab shade, something like that. Really nice. So let's hop on the tractor and I'll show you what it looks like. There she is. So we're going to go ahead and turn it on here. Power's on. Gauges. Now as you can see, it's rating 1.4 hours on the clock right here. You have your headlight controls. Looks the same thing on the Kubota like I showed you. Turn signals, left and right. You got your hand throttle, your hazard switch, and you have your PTO lever. This has got one PTO lever over here, and you have your gears. It's on neutral, and you have your joystick control for your loader over here. And this is your four-wheel drive engagement, and over here this is your flow control on your 3-point. That's to increase the speed of an implement, or if you have a heavy implement. Over here, your parking brake down below. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and start it up. Well, anyways, clutch in. Gotta love that diesel sound though. Show you the bucket. Bring the RPMs up. Over here. This one's got hydraulics. Hydraulics are good on that. Go for a little drive here, disengage the brake, increase the RPMs, right over here, and go into the drive for you. Do that front axle pulling around. go ahead and show the backhoe. We're going to put the RPMs up. Over here. That's it. See your controls over here? So we'll just show that right now. So we'll go ahead and put this one down. Do it real slow. And do the same for that side here. There we go. So I believe this tractor has got the 3-cylinder diesel. It's got the grill guard right there. It's really nice, but really simple. Your 3-point hitch control, really nice. We'll go shut her down and we'll check out the rest of the tractor, shall we? Make sure the loader's down. Alright. It's got nice cool looking agriculture tires. This one here. Well everyone, I hope you enjoy my review on the all-new 2019 Kioti Compact Tractor. Be sure to stay tuned next time for more videos just like this. Once again, like, subscribe, favorite, and if you want to check out my website, Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram page, they're both in the description so you can find it. And once again, be sure to stay tuned next time. There is always a lot more where it came from. Take care.